This is the bracket, and then this is the battery connectors, lead-acid battery temperature sensor, expansion screws, expansion tubes, CT and the user manual, backup connectors, and the on-grid output connectors, PV connectors, PV pin connectors. That's all. This is the bracket, and there are 3 holes. Pointing at the prepared 3 holes, we use screws to install the bracket on the wall. There are 2 holes of the bracket, one in the left side, another in the right side. We use screws to make sure that the inverter is fixed well with the bracket. Prepare battery power cable and assemble the accessories on it. Insert the cables into socket, then tighten the screws. Choose the appropriate wire and wire stripping. Set the paths on the cable one by one. Insert the connectors into the corresponding position on inverter. Make sure that using the standard cable and plug as user manual. Insert the appropriate function port for the communication connection. Connect the battery terminals onto inverter. This is the optional Wi-Fi module. We can use it to monitor the inverter. Turn on the DC switch. Observe the LED skin to check the status of inverter. Scan the QR code to download the app for using our monitoring system.